Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Mkhuli Soccer. Cela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. U-Ayanda bafowethu nangu ubhale i-comment lana and ziningi izinto engivumelana nazo. Uthi yena honestly uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs idinga i-proper winning coach efana no-Hugo Broos ozoyinstila i-winning mentality laphana kuma-players we-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi ezi-Kaizer Chiefs baleka leyo nto leyo. Uthi why uyabuza ukuthi why bakora 1 goal per match. Uthi badinga futhi i-striker coach uthi because ama-players afana nobo Dupreez kumele abanike ama-goals amaningi. Uthi nje abanayo leyo coaching leyo. Uthi sorry ukusho lento lena but-ke yena akabelieve ukuthi uCheslett akabeliveli kuCheslett uthi akabonakali njenge-good player. Uthi with umshini-ke uthi siyamdinga laphana kuBafana Bafana. Uthi udinga i-proper coaching from a strong personality like uLo Pitso, yabo. Uthi uNabi, and then uyasho ukuthi uVilakazi kumele adlale laphana i-10 and udinga ukuthi bamcoache naye proper. Uthi otherwise bazomluza laphana kuma-teams afana ne-Orlando Pirates. Uthi yena ubelieve ukuthi uVilakazi is greater or ngithi better than uRillem Mofokeng. Uthi management kumele ithole i-proper coach laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi laba abawu-2 abakhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs akacabanga ukuthi bazothatha i-Kaizer Chiefs bayibeke kude. Uyasho ukuthi banama-facilities, kusho ukuthi bane-environment and everything nje right laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bane-great history, bane-biggest fan base, so that should be supported by proper manager slash coach ne-great technical team. Uthi-ke i-budget enkulu iyafuneka. Uthi-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs ingaba unstoppable. Uthi shame ku-management kumele ba-investe kuleyo nto leyo. Uthi thank you. Uthi ufisa ngathi angasho okuningi but-ke ufuna ukuyibamba lapha. I mean, I like the statement from Ayanda bafowethu because of these statement esiyidingayo lento leyo ukuthi sinese ama-feelings. Wonke umuntu kumele asho into afuna ukisho. Uthi akabelieve kuCheslett ukuthi uCheslett i-player good. Well, ngikhulume ngoCheslett funny enough i-video i-clip yami khona ngikhulume ngaye uCheslett. UCheslett he might have been good eNgilandi. Sikhumbule ukuthi e-England udlalele ama-team lawa amancane ku-National League, kuma-league, and then wadlala ku-League 1, wadlala ku-League 2. So udlale ku-5th division e-England naku-4th division, even lower than that. So uza ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-team ene-history enkulu, and sikhumbule ukuthi e-England kulula ukuthi udlale bafowethu, especially kuma-lower divisions. Why? Because of i-man marking ayikho, like that aggression ayikho. Masibukela ibhola lakhona alifani naku-English Premier League. Like ku-English Premier League is the top of the top mawubheka khona laphana. So I mean uCheslett obvious akakaniki opportunity, asikamboni kahle. Ngiyafisa ukumbona ngimjaje kahle, like ngimbone ku-Betway Premiership match ngimjaje kahle, but-ke uleka that aggression. From what I saw e-Netherlands, that time base-Netherlands, uleka that just aggression. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs iyambona laphana ejimini yabona ukuthi maybe akusi i-player elingafitha to i-system ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Khumbulani bafowethu, u-Kaizer Chiefs u-number 10 kumele akhosi i-havoc serious. So Augustin Sirino ngikhulume ngaye naye, umuntu ofithayo ukuthi abe yi-number 10 ye-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke iminyaka seyamshaya. Umfowethu ukhulumile lana ngoVilakazi ukuthi uVilakazi kumele adlale i-10. Nami I believe ukuthi uVilakazi kumele adlale i-10. Why? Because he's a good pass off the ball. Uyakwazi ukushaya ama-pass esingawaboni kuma-tight spaces, is able to ukushaya ama-pass. I remember this pass engeke ngikhohlwa anika uGustin Sirino. Uyakwazi ukukhatha anika uGustin Sirino walifaka same time, and then uSilva waliqedelela. So uVilakazi ukunika leyo nto leyo, ukunika ama-assist, ukunika ama-player exciting njalo medlala, ucreate something out of nothing. So ukunika leyo nto leyo. In terms of umfowethu lana ukhuluma ngokuthi awucoach laba abawu-2 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs akacabangi ukuthi bazoyithatha i-Kaizer Chiefs bayibeke anywhere. Kusho ukuthi ayikho indaba yama-co-coaches. Well, kule statement sakhe I would like to say nje ku-rare bafowethu, ngeke ube ney'nkosi eziwu-2 ethimini, ngeke ube nama-head coaches awu-2, akwenzeki. Kumele ube nomuntu oyedwa abazolandela yena i-authority yakhe. So manje imagine uyi-player uthola i-instruction kuphakama lo 5 minutes, manje after 5 minutes kuphakama omunye azokutshela enye into, and kumele babe ne-structure ukuthi ubani olidayo kahle kahle. Kuphakama no-goalkeeper coach azothetha laphana, azoba busy. I mean i-structure laphana ku-technical team esi-right, kumele babe ne-leader eyodwa and then laba abanye bafollowe. That's it. Manje ku-Kaizer Chiefs abantu bayazenzela. So yes, umfethu umesho la ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs idinga ucoach one-winning mentality azoyifaka emaplayini. Yes, badinga leyo nto leyo bafethu, ucoach ozotshintsha izinto. uwenze example ngo-Hugo Broos. I mean bheka u-Hugo Broos ukumcriticize the way asho ngakhona vele ezinye izinto akhulumayo he can't. But-ke unama-views wakhe at the same time what he did for iBafana beyifile without uHugo Broos iBafana beyifile ayikho indaba yabo. But-ke mayefika laphana ufike wainstilla winning mentality ku-team uyithole ingabalwa nokubalwa laphana e-Afrika kuwudoti nje we-team but guess what wafika wainstilla leyo nto leyo. Ukhuluma wenze example nangoPitso Mosimane ukuthi badinga leso muntu ofana noPitso Mosimane. uPitso Mosimane angafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs a-change izinto and why abalulekile mhlawumbe umuntu ofana noPitso Mosimane laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Asisho ukuthi uPitso Mosimane direct but umuntu ozoba ne-authority ukuthi ngaba yi-coach ama-player amrespectayo number one. Ama-player e-Kaizer Chiefs coaches laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs mawuthatha ukubheka baba-respect baya-argue nawe. uPitso Mosimane make-head coach yakho uyi-boss like there's no argument between the two. I-straight indaba yakhona like uzomlalela or you are out. So ama-players under uPitso Mosimane bayazi ukuthi they have to perform. Abangaperform indaba yabo ayikho, you don't play. And uza ne-CV enhle, uza ne-history enhle ukuthi ubona siyamazi ukuthi vele uyawina, hayi ukuthi unika umsebenzi nje ezifavor. But-ke uthi i-management kusho ukuthi i-management e-Kaizer Chiefs ehlulekayo uku-investa kuzinto like kuma-coaches lese ku-technical team e-right. Kusho u-Ayanda I'm-quoting yena u-Ayanda la. I believe i-Kaizer Chiefs has really failed. I-management i-Kaizer Chiefs they have failed bafowethu with the budget that they have. Kaizer Chiefs bekungamelanga ibe nama-co-coaches abantu abangakaze ba-coach abanganayo ne-experience yokucoacha ku-senior level. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu bazothi uke wa-coach uCedric ubebanjisiwe ecushisiwe that time until bathole i-senior coach umuntu ocoach ama-under 17 lo omunye-ke futhi ku-Benny-ke bafowethu bekayi-video analyst laphana la ka-coach Nabi. I mean like come on, i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs akumelanga ithathe ama-chance. Why i-Kaizer Chiefs igcina o-coach abaso noma ngithi abanje bafowethu ibagcina because of abanasay bayazi ukuthi there's no way ba-question i-management, there's no way bazama ukubonisa i-management because i-Kaizer Chiefs management ihlezi involve obviously nayo iyangenela kuma-decision making laphana egrawundini. So bafuna ucoach abazokwazi ukumcontrol i-technical team. Ngifuna ukunibonisa something la nibona ukuthi during ama-match i-technical team uCedric bakhuluma nabantu be-Kaizer Chiefs. uCedric uhlezi afake something endlebeni bafowethu if niyamnotice angithi eyani leyo nto leyo. Ukhuluma ne-management e-Kaizer Chiefs sometimes bayamtshela ukuthi hayi faka lo wena yabo. So zonke lezo zinto lezo but-ke with uPitso uyakutshela ukuthi ngi-expecte 1 2 3 1 2 3 angifuni unga-expect umlingo la kusamele sibuild i-team for the next 6 months siyayibuilda le team le. So qala ukubona izinto next season ngoba lento leyo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs maqala i-season njalo kuthiwa this is our season, we are going all out for everything. Ufinishe number 9 last season. You still kept ama-players more than 15 bewadlala last season angacontributanga lutho amaningi. I-winning mentality yabi kuphi in terms of i-league. Bazokwenzelani lawo ma-player lawo? And then ugcina ama-player afana no-Morris based on and uMorris bamfuna amanye ama-team. So izinto masizibheka bafowethu ekumele zishintshe ku-Kaizer Chiefs zi-improve ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibe i-team engcono. But if lezi zinto ey'ncane small details phela this is a game of small margin. If lezo zinto ey'ncane ayishintshi then i-Kaizer Chiefs izoba nenkinga e-serious bafowethu angifuni ukuqamba amanga. But-ke they cannot just sit and expect umlingo bafowethu. But ngizoyibamba la. I was just quoting u-Ayanda bafowethu ngizoclicka igama lakhe nilibone ukuthi ngiresponda kuye. Danke bafowethu ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.